This is a video for Chinese 202 Lesson 1. The grammar we are talking about will be sentences using the 是什么什么的 grammar point. The examples below show the particle 了 being used to establish that an action or event has occurred. Once this is established, the two speakers immediately switch to using the 是什么什么的 grammar point to get into the specifics of the action or event. So, for example 1, 柯先生来了吗？来了. Did Mr. Ke come? Yes, he did. Here, 了 is being used to establish if Mr. Ke came or not, and we have established that he has. So then we see that in the next four sentences, the speakers have switched to 是什么什么的 to find out more about the action of Mr. Ke appearing. So we have 是什么时候来的 When did he come? 是昨天晚上来的 Yesterday evening. 是跟谁一起来的 Who did he come with? 是跟他姐姐一起来的 With his older sister. And this is the 是什么什么的 grammar point. However, you can also note that 是 is often optional. So you could also just say 什么时候来的昨天晚上来的跟谁一起来的跟他姐姐一起来的 and you would be perfectly fine as well. If there is an object after the verb, the can be placed at the end of the sentence or before the object. So, for example, 2, 你是大学生吗? Are you a college student? 不，我是研究生. No, I'm a graduate student. 你是在哪儿上的大学? Where did you go to college? 我是在纽约上的大学. I went to college in New York. And here we can see that the verb 上, and then we have 的, and then we have the object after. However, if you wanted 的 to be placed at the end of the sentence, you could simply just say 你是在哪儿上的大学的？我是在纽约上大学的。And you can say either this version or this version. It doesn't really matter which one. They both pretty much mean the same exact thing. So just use whichever one is easier for you to say and you will be fine. Just note that with the 是什么什么的 grammar point, if you are using this in a negative sentence, then the 是 cannot be omitted. So for example 3, 你是在中国学的中文吗? Did you study Chinese in China? 我不是在中国学的中文，是在美国学的。I did not study Chinese in China. I studied it in America. So this was a short video for the 是什么什么的. It can be a little bit confusing to use, but with practice, you should be able to use it completely fine.